Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. So welcome to my latest video where I share some meal prep for the summer for my family of 9. I'm hoping to spend as little time in the kitchen as possible so that I can spend more time entertaining my kids during the summer holidays because boy, they're going to need it. So first of all, I made some granola. It's something I've been meaning to make a batch of in the past, but I never got around to it. It's so easy to make and really delicious, especially because you can add whatever nuts, seeds and nibbles that you like. I added some pecan nuts, chia seeds and raisins to the granola I made as part of this meal prep. In future, I'll make some using some chocolate chips, some walnuts, maybe some sunflower seeds, and I'm sure there's lots of other delightful bits I could add. So I actually baked the granola mixture before adding the raisins. Once everything was mixed together, I transferred the granola to a couple of storage jars. You can freeze some if you've made too much, but I didn't have to freeze any because it's not going to last that long, not in this house. Granola is perfect with yogurt as a little snack or for breakfast. I sprinkled some over ice cream and it was really tasty and added a nice crunchy texture to the ice cream. Something I do regularly, I sliced a load of onions and froze them. It's so much quicker and easier than prepping onions every time I make a meal, and it's perfect during the summer holidays when any spare time is needed to entertain the kids. Some days you just can't be bothered cooking because of all the prep, but if you have onions ready, then there are less excuses for making a delicious homemade meal. So I separated the sliced onions into these small freezer bags and then popped them into a larger freezer bag and froze them, and just take out a small freezer bag every time you're doing your cooking. If you don't want to use as much plastic, you can put them in some muffin trays instead. That also works, and I've done that in the past as well. So I find the easiest thing to meal prep is a load of chicken drumsticks or chicken wings or some kind of chicken like that. I usually marinate them in tandoori masala, and on the day that I'm cooking the chicken, I'll take them out of the freezer in the morning, and by dinner time they've defrosted enough for me to put them in the oven and bake or grill to perfection. So for these drumsticks, I made a tandoori masala for the marinade by adding all the ingredients on screen, and I'll put it in the description. Once you've mixed all the ingredients for the marinade, add the chicken to the bowl and coat it fully. And then just transfer the marinated chicken to a freezer bag and place into the freezer until you plan on eating the chicken. Next, I decided to prep a batch of spring rolls. They're perfect during lunch over the summer, or even to take along on a picnic when the weather finally improves. It's been raining loads in the UK, and we're just waiting patiently for the hot sunny days to return. So I made a keema or mincemeat filling for the spring rolls, and I added some mixed veg for some nutritional benefit. It's a really quick and tasty filling, so you just cook the mains and frozen mixed veg. Then I added onions, garlic and ginger paste, the salt and spices. When the filling's cooled enough, use it to fill the spring roll pastry sheets, and I just made a glue using plain flour and water. Nusaiba was helping me really well, bless her. The final thing I meal prepped to get ahead this summer is a chicken lasagna. If I had a bigger freezer, I would have made a few batches, but unfortunately due to limited space, I just made one lasagna, which is still perfect for a day when I really can't be bothered cooking and just want to chuck something straight in the oven. So this is a really simple lasagna recipe. I added chicken thigh pieces to a pan. I like using chicken thigh pieces because they're softer than chicken breast. Once I'd cooked the chicken, I added a couple of spices, not too many, some salt. tub of passata. Just mix that all together, allow it to cook for a minute or two. And then remove it from the flame. And then I went ahead and made the white sauce. So it's just some butter, plain flour made into a paste in a pan on a low flame. Add in the milk, bring it to the boil, whisking regularly to get rid of any lumps that might form. When the sauce comes to the boil, stir in the salt. Turn the flame off and then stir in the grated cheese. Next, you just need to assemble the lasagna. I'm showing you the way I prepare my lasagna, but I'm sure you've all got your own methods of compiling this delightful dish. Once it's ready, I covered with cling film and popped it in the freezer. Anyway, I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Jazakallah khair, and thank you so much for watching, and all the best to all of us who are responsible for feeding our families this summer. It's no easy task. Inshallah, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.